Now, Legal Brief with Bree, featuring Jim Higgins with answers and advice on legal matters.
Today on The Brief, we are discussing distracted driving accidents. Jim, there are so many technologies out there today. There's so many different distractions that can occur when someone's driving. Talk to us about some of the lawsuits that you see where this is the case of a distracted driver that caused the accident.
Sure. You know, we have what I would say is a serious injury section in our law firm. That's all they do. And, you know, years ago, we would have bad injury cases, and they would be from a drunk driver or from a truck driver that just wasn't getting enough sleep. And, of course, we still have those. But over the past few years, there's been an explosion, in our office anyway, of handling cases where people are injured really bad, where somebody was texting on their phone. I mean, and if you look, you know, government keeps statistics on it now. It's become such an epidemic. And I think there's been like 21,000 accidents since, you know, past few years. And statistically, a lot of our experts we have come in these cases, they will tell you that it takes about 4.6 seconds to read a text and send a text on average. And if you're going 60 miles an hour, that's a football field that you're looking down and have no idea what was happening.
Sure.
So it is a true problem.
Talk to us a little bit about how you prove a case like this. I mean, I'm sure there's there's cell phone records now that you have. Talk to us a little bit about that investigative work that goes into proving a case like that.
So the most important thing is to act quickly, right? It is harder for me to put that case together when you come to my office 10 months after the accident. You know, we will prove it we have experts that will look at cell phones, we subpoena cell phone records. A lot of times it's just witnesses, you know, or people will sometimes tell the police, man, I'm sorry, I just wasn't paying attention, I was on my phone. It's amazing, and it makes me feel a little better how many people will just say, I made a mistake. Absolutely.
Well, if you would like to contact the Higgins Law Firm, you may do so by looking at the information on your screen.